Millions of people lose their hard-earned money to life insurance scams every year. Are you being tricked too? Today, I'll expose the 5 biggest life insurance scams that could cost you thousands and how to protect yourself. Imagine this: an insurance agent tells you pay for just 10 years and your policy will take care of itself forever. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the ugly truth. That's a complete lie. Here's what really happens. These policies rely on high interest rates to pay for themselves. But when interest rates drop, the company suddenly demands more payments or your coverage vanishes. This happened to thousands of people in the 1990s when interest rates crashed. They thought they were free, but instead they were forced to keep paying for years. So next time an agent promises your policy will pay for itself, run. Ever heard the phrase, life insurance is a great investment? Well, guess what? It's not. Here's how they trick you. They promise you a cash value that grows over time. But the reality? 90% of your money goes to fees, commissions, and expenses. Let's compare. If you invested $115 per month in the stock market, you could have $231,000 in 20 years. But with cash value life insurance, you'd have a tiny fraction of that. If you really want to build wealth, get a cheap term insurance and invest the rest. Here's a horror story. You've been paying your life insurance for 10 years. Then suddenly you pass away, and your family finds out they won't get a single rupee. Why? Because of a hidden clause, pre-existing condition. Insurance companies use this scam to deny claims even if your illness wasn't diagnosed before. They'll say, "Oh, your medical reports show a small heart issue from years ago, so we won't pay." Moral of the story? Read the policy carefully. And if a company has too many denied claims, avoid them. Have you heard agents say, cash value insurance is better than term insurance? Well, that's because they get huge commissions. Let's break it down. A $125,000 term life insurance policy costs around $100 per year. But a cash value policy? $1,200 plus per year. That's 10x more. Where does all your extra money go? Not to your savings. It goes to fees, management costs, and the insurance company's profits. The truth? 99% of people should buy cheap term insurance and invest the rest. Now this scam is pure evil. Some cheap life insurance policies only cover accidental death. That means if you die from cancer, a heart attack, or any natural cause, your family gets 0 rupees. To avoid this scam, always check if your policy covers all causes of death. If it doesn't, don't buy it. Now you know the 5 biggest insurance scams. These tricks have cost people millions, but now you are ahead of the game. Comment below if you've been scammed before, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips.